We are pleased to show you the 2022 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, mud guards. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.